Hello there, my name is Icholia, and today I'm going to show you how we can create our simple brand identity. And I'm going to do this step by step, and this is a beginner's tutorial. Without that said, let's begin. So this is our logo, okay? As you can see here, this is our logo. Then from here, what I'm going to do, I'll just come and click on this rectangle tool. Then I'll draw a rectangle like that. Then I increase the points of the line. I'll make it let's say 16. Then I'll change the color to be red. I just right click on it, be red like that. Then we need to create this part here, this one here, okay, this part. So what we do, we come here to the line tool, okay, we can use the pen tool. Then from here we just click here until here, like so. Then we will drag it this one here. Then we will also click here again. Then here we will do like this, click here, we click also this one here, then we click here, then we click here, okay. Then we will have also to increase the point. Let's say we make it 16. Then we change the color also to be red, change the color to be red like so. Then we need now to do what? We need now to manipulate so that it can fit exactly. So what we do, we come to shape tool, we click on shape tool. Then I have to expand this one. Then from here I'll have to right click here, then I say convert to curves. Then we will drag this part like this, okay. Also here we also convert to curves, then we do it the same. Do it like so, okay. Say we do it like so. Then we go to this other part, we right click on the line, then we say convert to curves. Then this one now we will make it this way, and then this one we drag it this way. It is simple, it's not very hard, just like this. You try to manipulate it so that it can look very nice. Let's say like so, or let me just do this part a little bit, like so, it's okay. Now we also need to manipulate this line. So what we do, we bring this one here like that, and then here right click, then we manipulate it this way, okay. Do it this way. Also this one we right click also here, make it like so, like so, okay. Then from here we will type the text. Text says it is type curly. Then I'll drag that way. Then from here I'll look a very good font, so I'll click here. There is a font I like here. Let me look for the font. Even this Abyssinia is okay. There is something I always like. Yes, it is here. Yes, like this. Then I'll expand a bit. Then I'll bring it down here. This one you can click like this, then we make it be straight like that. Let me do it that way. Then here I'll type a plus like that, then I increase it, then I'll put it here. Okay, now we have a problem. This part is sharp. I don't need it sharp, so I'll come back here. We don't need it sharp. And also we will come like this. Let's say like so. Yeah, like this is okay. Then from here we need to unlock this one, then we delete. Now we remain with our what? We remain with our logo. So what I will do, I'll have to squeeze this one to be somehow small, like so. Okay, this is what we have freed. Then I'll put this one here. Then this part here, I'm going to make it rounder. So I'll click those, then I'll do like this, shape it like this more. Then this plus, I'm going to take it up. This one we are going to make it black in color. Okay, and I will make it that way. This one we are going to take it to the back of the layer, object, order, back of the layer, that way. Now that is our logo. So what I'll come, I'll click here, outline, then I'll say scale to the object. Okay, so when we scale like this, it will still look okay. Are we together? Now from here I'll carry all this, bring it in the middle. Then from here, actually let's change this let's make this one, let's say 1, 2, let's say 3. Yeah, like that. Also this one we make it 3. Let's do 3, like so. This typical we can make it bigger, like that. We can even change the font. Let's look for a very good font. Let's look for a font. Yes, let's go with this one. Let's go with this one. Then I'll have to reduce this one like this. I group it, then I'll put here on my cape. Okay, I'm going to put it there. Then this one, and this one, I'm going to copy the same logo, then I'll bring it here. As you can see on this one, it doesn't look very well. So what we do, we manipulate. Okay, so we click on this one, we make it white. ungroup this one. So we click this one. First we remove the outline, then we change the wordings to be white. Even this one, outline, then we make it white, like so. You see where we are going? So this is how you make your brand identity. So then from here, I'm going to do the same. I'll copy this logo, Control C, Control V, then I'll bring it here inside my phone. Okay, then I'll have to group it. Also this one, let's expand it to be 100% so that we can see. Then I'm going to select my cape, bring it here, expand it a bit, then also I'm going to make on my phone, expand it a bit again, bring it somewhere here. Then now we are in our t-shirt, group it, then I expand it. So you see, that's what we have achieved. That's what we have achieved, and this was just a simple tutorial. In the next future, I'm going to make a very long tutorial. Thank you.